Hey guys, this is Tara with Teaching on Lemon Lane. I wanted to give you a brief little overview of these snapshot biographies. So let's go ahead and jump in. First thing you need to decide when doing this project is decide if you're going to be using it in its printable version or its digital version. Let me show you our digital pages. So digital pages are right here, 1, 2, and 3. And then your printable versions are right here, 1, 2, and 3. The first version of these pages is your planning page or your brainstorm page. Here students can type and kind of, as they do their research, think about what they want to go in picture 1. Maybe it's where the person was born, where they grew up, something about their childhood, and you kind of just move on chronologically. So picture 1, picture 2, picture 3. I also have a space down here where they can provide the source of where they found their information or where they want to find their picture. Over here on this side, I have some research helps, vocabulary.com, Ducksters, biography.com. These are some of my favorites, favorite resources for students using for their research for the biography that they're doing. Another thing that I really want to point out and challenge your students to do is to use historical pictures or primary sources. And you can find a lot of those at these 3 options. So archives.gov, the Library of Congress, or the Smithsonian. This is what really kind of brings this project to life, is that you can use these images, these snapshots, these, it could be like journal entries or newspaper clippings or pictures from the actual event or the person. And it really just brings a nice touch to it and it makes everything that much more real. So as far as digital activities go, this is where digital activities really shine. In order to use these, I've got them linked to where it'll bring you right to the search of each one. So you click on it and then you'll click on the link here and then you'll search it. If I go off of it right now, you'll lose my screen, so I'm unable to do that. But what students are going to do is that they'll find a picture and then they can right click on the picture and then save that image to their device or their computer. And then when we come over here to this page, they're able to insert that picture very easily by clicking on the picture placeholder, replace image, and then uploading it from their computer. Let me see if I can find one that I've got saved. Here's one of May that I had saved to mine that I had used on another one. So again, this is a great way to kind of upload it, and I hope you saw how easy it is to get those pictures in there. So again, to insert pictures into this picture placeholder, we would click, replace image, and then we're able to pick from either uploading from the computer, searching the web, using a Google Drive, or these other options as well. These top 3 are the ones that I use the most. Search the web is your most user-friendly. So again, let's say we were doing one on Martin Luther King. I search it, it brings up my images, I can look through them. We'll go ahead and do this one. I double click, or I can single click and hit replace, and it automatically places it in here. So each one of these squares is a picture placeholder, as well as this circle here. This is kind of what I think of as their profile picture. So again, we could do replace image, search the web, and again, we just search whoever it is that we are doing our biography on. Like I've done one on, let's do a George Washington. This is a great activity for President's Day. And I double click and it's automatically going to put it right there. Now this is my favorite part about this. This is a new version that I've added here. You can also change the background now. So we could click here, replace image, it selects that background, search the web, and let's do George Washington's house. And we will, it's at Mount Vernon, we'll double click and it places that as our background. So these are awesome. It can be customized to kind of your students' level based on the rigor that you apply. Anyways, I love these. I think that these turned out really, really great. The reflection sheet is awesome as well. If you do it digitally, you can also insert a picture here. There's a picture placeholder there. I think that's all that you need to know. I am very excited about this activity. I think you guys are going to love it. I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks, guys.